Hi, I'm Sangam Sabagain from Kathmandu, Nepal, and from GoldenGate International College, and this is our multi-purpose robot, and we have made it full wireless and with the help of Arduino, and we have done a Bluetooth control here and remote control for this arm, and we have made a arm here which can grab the things, and this we can control the robot from distance as we have used your Android to Android video streaming, so that we can use it in various purposes, like mainly we are focusing on the rescue purpose, is our country has just recently been through a nightmare on April 25 earthquake, and it damaged many houses, many people were dead, and many soldiers died, and on the process of rescuing many soldiers died. So we have aimed to use such type of robot in such disasters like earthquake, and so that we can save the people, soldiers, for the so that it can be used for human welfare. It is a prototype. It is made from locally available materials such as we have used plywood and these sticks, and locally available gears are here, and we have modified and we have assembled the parts so that it can be a arm, and it is a whole as a robot, and we have use here wheels so that the robot can move, and mainly, and it can also be used in other purposes, like we can transfer the explosive from one place to another, from crowded areas to safe zones, so that we can save the people life, and we can use it to make the pollution free environment, to collect the wastage from the roadside, so that it will make a pollution free environment. This is a prototype, and we can develop and manufacture it from industries, and it can be used in various purposes. And let me show you how the robot works. And this is a base plate, and it can move, and here is a gear which can rotate about its center. There is a gear which can rotate about its center, and the gear is connected to the another gear, and this is a diagram which I have designed previously before making the robot, and this gear turns the another gear, and we have put a gear in the base of the arm, and the motor rotates, and I can show you how it works. And the base of the arm works in such a way, and mainly the arm is free to move our disposition, and I control this arm through this remote, and here we can see there is finally a grabber, and this is the part which I love most, because it was a difficult work for me to assemble the gears in the correct position, as it took mainly 2 days to make it, and till the end it didn't work because the gears were not assembled properly, and by trial and error I made it work. I make it work on whole 1 day, and I was finally happy because it works. I can show you how it works. And here we have used 4 gears, and this is the gear is attached to the motor, and this gear is attached to this gear, and these 2 gears rotate in opposite direction. Here I can show you the mechanism. By the motor, the gear rotates in one direction, and consequently they rotate in opposite direction, and it works. Let me show you how it can grab the things. And in such a manner it can carry the things from one place to another place. Yes, and it works like this, and we have made the base of the robot move through the Bluetooth control, and we have used your Arduino. This is Bluetooth device, and this is motor bridge. We have programmed the Arduino through the computer, and there is a Bluetooth device, and when we send the signals from we have used this app to control these base motors. There are 4 wheels and 4 motors are attached to it, and Arduino we give the output, and Arduino processes the signals, and the motor work when the output is given from the motor driver. And here we have used a heatsink so that current more than 2 ampere would not damage this motor driver. So let's see how it works. We were planning to control the whole robot through this Bluetooth control, but the programming was a little difficult. And this was our teamwork, and of 4 guys, and me and Ashish Rimal prepared this arm, and Manoj Pandey and Rohit Paudel programmed the Arduino, and they made the best plate. And as a whole, it is our achievement. And I think this type of robots should be developed in our countries like Nepal, so that we can cope up the disasters like earthquake, and we should be prepared for that type of disasters. And I think this will be a valuable product for our country like Nepal. Thank you.